we will take some sample files, sample.txt. We try to move around this file between directories from one location to another location. Okay, so the name I have written is sample.txt. I'm creating this file. In this, I will write something, hello class. Okay, this is PG program in data engineering. Just 2 lines I have written. So I am in the documents directory. Okay, so from this directory, if I wanted to move this file, so this directory is containing the file sample.txt along with the other 2 files. So you can, I think you can distinguish between the files and the folder by this option. These things you know, right? Like with, if it is a directory, it will show it as a directory. Otherwise, if nothing is there, then it is a file. So this file I will copy from sample.txt to, from the documents directory to another directory. Okay, we can also make a directory here itself and check it. Okay, I'll make one directory as demo. Okay, make dir demo I have created, ls hyphen l. So demo directory is created. Now I want to put the sample.txt into the demo directory. Okay, how can we do that? mv, I will write it here, mv source file. Okay, I'm just writing what I'm going to do into destination. Okay, destination directory here we are going to do. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. So I have put a hash over here. Okay, hash means comment. I hope you all know it. Hash means a comment. I'm not going to execute this comment. Okay, so that's why I have given hash over here. So I will enter. So now what is our goal? Goal is to move sample.txt into the demo directory. So it will be like mv sample.txt into demo. Okay, so demo slash, if you put, then enter it, it will move. Now if you check in the present directory, our present working directory is still documents. Okay, if you check it here, it is not present. We have moved the file to demo directory. So let's go into demo directory. We will change the directory to demo. Okay, so now I am in present working directory is documents demo. Then in the demo, if you check, you will have your sample file. Okay, that is moved. Then we can also open that file and see is the content is the one which we have written. Okay, so slash means the directory path it signifies. Okay, so this if you see in the pwd, like every separation of directories is with appended with a slash, no, that is what it says. So you can directly give yeah, file name to actually Saurav's doubt was you can post the doubts to everyone, Saurav or everyone, so that others can also see the question, right? What does this slash signifies? That's what Saurav's doubt was. So it is that directory. You don't have to give it here. Okay, you can directly take it. The trick is I will create one more file. Okay, now I'm in pwd directory. Okay, I will, here there is only sample file here. I will create one more file like data science in demo directory. I'm creating inside the demo. I'm in the demo. You can see it here. I'm inside the demo directory. Here I will create one more directory, one more file like data science or .txt something. Here we will write hello world. Okay. Why I'm trying to show here is what I did. That's why the slash has come. That's what. Say for example, I moved MV. Here data science is there. Okay, I just typed D. Okay, and pressed a tab key. It actually took it by itself. If you have worked in Linux, you will know it. If data DA, whatever the name, you don't have to type everything. You just give a DA and tab. It will take. If it is if that file is a single file, it will take automatically. Otherwise, it will ask. So demo I gave I gave for the older directory. Okay. Okay. I think I should do it from here. Okay. Data science demo I gave mo and I pressed a tab, it took directly slash because it knows Linux knows that it is a directory, so it took slash. That's why it came. Otherwise, you can directly give without the slash also. Okay, it will copy into the directory. This is fine, right? So likewise, you can copy multiple files in a single move statement itself. So I am in the demo directory and uh, I have two files here created. If you can see, I have two files created inside the demo directory, datascience.txt and sample.txt. So in case that I wanted to move both the files, then I will give move and both the names. See, I press DA tab, it takes automatically. Otherwise, you can type it sample.txt also. That is also fine. Okay. Say for example, now I wanted to put it in a previous directory like documents. Okay, what I'm trying to do now is I want to move these two files, datascience.txt, sample.txt, into documents, not inside demo. Okay, I want to copy these two into documents. I don't want them anymore in the demo folder. Okay, guys. So what I have to do, documents is one step before, right? I will show you. Sorry. So if you see the path, this is the absolute path, right? So documents is one step before the demo. That I think you know it. If you want to go to documents, one step before, then you will give cd space dot dot, right? Then it will go one step before, right? Please also tell me, is this a two basics or if you know already also, please let me know, okay? Because you should not feel bored like if I take I mean very basics, right? Is this okay, right? I can tell. Is this okay, right? I can okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, right, okay. Okay, so one step before we will do like that. We will do dot dot. If you want to go two step ahead, like I want to go to nihilate, okay, then we will do like slash dot dot, like this likewise. So pwd, see, now I have gone two steps ahead. Okay, likewise we can use these things in our commands, in our move commands or any commands which we are going to do. Could you please explain the cp commands? Already familiar with these commands? Okay, Aman was saying it's already familiar, but I just wanted to know about others. I'm not going to talk about the CD because my idea is with the move only. Okay, just wanted to show one other thing, so told this. CP I will show in the next after this. Okay, is this fine, right? Aman and Marial. CP command will not move. CP will only do copy. MV will move it. We'll see it, okay? Okay, that's fine. I think I'm going very basics. Okay, let's move on. Okay, PWD. Now I'm here. The idea here is to move multiple files in the demo directory. Okay, ls. Okay, we will do data science.txt and sample.txt into, I say I wanted to go to the documents directory, so I will give dot dot slash one step before into the documents, or dot dot slash dot I can give. Dot means the present directory. Okay, enter. Then like a cd dot dot will go one step before. See, it has come to documents. Now your present directory is documents. So if you want to go further, you can, if you can know the present directory, you can write pwd and find the present directory and can move like this wherever you wanted to go. Okay, and if you give cd hyphen, then it will go to the old directory itself. See, it goes to the demo itself. Likewise, I was telling. And if you want to directly go to the root, cd slash. Okay, it will go to the root directory directly. Is this clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Copy data from one to another file. Move cut data from. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I have moved this file. This command I have done. That's what I did. Okay, what I want to do, this two files, I want to move from the present. Move means it will completely take it from that present directory and keep it in your next one. Okay, it is not copy. Copy will have a copy, like there will be files over here also, there also. We'll see the difference. And I wanted to put it in the documents directory. That's why I have given dot dot slash. Okay, and slash dot, this dot means the present directory. Okay, is this clear, right? So one other thing is, like say for example, now I go here, I go to home, nilet, documents. Okay, so now my documents directory is having data science .txt and sample.txt. So another thing is, like, we can also use regular expressions. We know that you wanted to move all the text file into directory, into the demo directory, all the text file into the demo directory. Then you can give like a regular expression, star means everything, star.txt into the destination directory is a demo. Okay, enter. Then you can check whether it is present in the documents. Documents is the present, it is not there, but it is moved to demo. Okay, I'm going to demo now and listing it, all the files, because I have given star.txt. So all the text, all the files ending with .txt is moved to demo. Okay, so multiple files you can move. Okay, so this we have seen it inside the directory itself. And another thing is, say for example, we wanted to move one file into one another file. That is also possible. So here itself, sample is there. Then I will move sample.txt to new sample. So what does this do? Can anyone say? This command, what does it do? Yes, you can talk in the phone because, okay, no problem. Move both. No, it will not move both. What it will do is, it is the kind of like a copy renaming only, like take all the contents from the sample.txt and create a new file. Okay, new sample.txt. Okay, if you see here, now sample.txt will not be present. Okay, new sample, it is like a renaming, you can call it in a different name, renaming. Okay, renaming a file from one to another, or it is like creating a new file and copying all the contents from the source to the destination file. This is file now I'm dealing with, not folder. Okay, so if you check the content of the file, new, then it is having whatever the sample.txt is present. Okay guys, then say there is some more thing also you can do with that. I will show something. Okay, there are some options. So you come across the man page? Have you ever see the man page? Man is like an help page. So this is like an help page in Linux. Okay, man mv, whichever command you wanted to understand, you can give like this. Okay, man mv or man cp command you were using, or man cd command, anything if you wanted to understand what are the option. So there is no manual entry for cd. uh, Remove command. Okay, anything you wanted to learn on how, what are the options it can take it, or about the description what it does, then you can use this man command and give the command name. Then it will show the options also. Okay, so this is just an hint. So what other options shall be there for move command is, like you can do an interactive mode using the move command to check about whether we can use it or not. And there are some options like hyphen n, hyphen I. This is the interactive prompt. Okay, it will show, it will ask you if, say for example, I have created sample file, right? Sample file in demo directory, and I have created new sample file in demo directory. If you don't want to overwrite it, if the file is already existing one, and if you accidentally try to overwrite it and you are not sure, you want to check whether it is present or not, you don't want to overwrite, that time you can go for this hyphen I option. And another is like hyphen n. Okay, this what it will do, it will give it will run the move command successfully, but it will not overwrite it if the file is already present. I will show that some other commands are present that you can use it. And verbose command, this normally you will use it, not in this, but not in the basic commands, but somewhere like a tar, when you're doing an zipping and all, that time you can use verbose, that it will show what you're actually doing in the command what it does. Okay, so some few options we will use it and check. Okay, uh, so in the demo these are all there. In this move, I'll give interactive options like, okay, here also I have a sample, new sample. Just a moment. Here in the demo directory, I have a new sample.txt. Same wise in my documents directory, I have a new sample.txt. Both the files are there. Okay, so say for example, I will try to do it with a hyphen I option. This a new sample from documents directory to demo directory. Okay, demo directory. Let's see what it is asking. It is asking whether do you want to overwrite it. Okay, because both the file are presented, I give an S, then we can see that it gets overwritten. Okay, how we can check the overwriting is, okay, what I will do, in the documents directory, this new sample, It is not there, it got overwritten into demo. Okay. uh, the difference you may not see it now. Okay, this point is clear, right? Like it is interactive, like it will ask whether you want to overwrite if the same file is present in both the locations from your source and the destination. Then if you give yes, then it will copy from the present directory to the destination directory. This is fine, right? Okay. Okay, fine. So how do we see the difference? I just told you like both the files are same, but whether it is actually copying it or not, we didn't see the difference. What I will do, I'll show the difference. Okay. So now both the places in demo ls, you have a new sample.txt, and in documents also you have the, okay, new sample.txt. Okay. So what I will do in the documents directory in the new sample.txt, I will write something else, something more to it. Good day. Okay. Okay. So the file in the documents is having a one more line added, good day. Okay. And I go to demo directory in this file, new sample.txt. It is not having the new line which I have added. Okay. So now we will see in the interactive mode whether it is overwriting properly. Okay, sorry, mv hyphen I. I'll go to documents directory. Okay, I will do mv hyphen I and new sample.txt to demo directory. I'll copy. Then, since it is an interactive mode, it will ask whether I have to overwrite it. I give it as yes. Then it is overwritten. You can check it because in documents there is a no new sample. Then if you go to demo, let's see whether it is overwritten. New sample is there. Vi new sample, say it is overwritten. Okay, can you make the difference like how that is overwriting it? Because first time when I showed, I didn't do any update, but now I have written something on the file and it is getting overwritten also. Other option is hyphen n. Okay, move hyphen n option. What it does is it will not overwrite if the file is already present. Okay, so I will copy the file. Okay, now I have this new sample.txt in the documents folder, in the documents directory, and also inside the demos directory. Okay, also inside the demo directory, uh, new sample.txt. Okay, so I will try using another option which is hyphen n and show you. I'll clear the screen. Okay, cd, I am in the documents directory, and now I what I will do is emv hyphen n file 1, that new sample.txt. I wanted to move to demo. Okay, if both are existing in demo, if the new sample text is existing in demo, then it will not overwrite it. Okay, that is the option for hyphen n. So when you usually use this hyphen n option, say for example you have two files in documents and directory, and there are some you don't want to, there are something you have written in another file, okay, in the file 2, but and you don't want anyone to accidentally overwrite it. That time you can go for this option and do not do the what you say overwrite it. Okay, so this also, if you want to see the difference, what I will do some manipulation on the, what is that file name. Okay, I will write something here by something like this. If you see in the file inside the documents, I have written one more line. Okay, by like this. Okay, but inside the file demo, I'm inside demo. In this file, that line is not there. By is not there. Okay, so we'll see what is doing this hyphen n option. Move hyphen n and then file name. Okay, I have to go to the documents folder. Okay, move hyphen n. The file name is a new sample dot text, and that I wanted to move it to demo. Okay, demo is also having new sample.txt, and my documents is also having new sample.txt. What is the difference here? In my documents directory, this new sample.txt file is having an another line which is by, but whereas in the demo directory, the new sample.txt file is the old one. Okay, now I will say with the hyphen n option, do not overwrite it. Okay, if both in many places the same file are present. Okay, it will not give any error on all, it will just work. Let's see whether it is overwritten or not. We go to demo ls vi new sample.txt. It is not overwritten. Okay, were you able to make the difference? It is not overwritten also it will not be moved from documents directory. Okay, move, what it will do, it will actually cut or remove the file from the present source directory to the and move it to the destination directory. But since we have used hyphen n option and both files are of same name, we are saying if both files are present in the same name, then don't do any overwrite, so it will not do anything. But if this, so maybe it is little confusing. Okay, I will take the other one where we will take a backup of the file and move it. Okay, same logic only. So ma'am, how to move a file having same name with different content in each file? Okay, that you can do it with the interactive option. That normally you can do it, you don't have to give interactive also. See, same thing, I will take we have same option like if move, don't give any option at all, directly move it, it will move or get overwritten. Yes, Aman. This means it will actually move this new sample.txt to, sorry, not this way, demo move sample.txt. Shall I run this? I'll enter it. See, here it is removed, right? Then if you go to demo, it will have the updated content. ls vi new sample, see it has the updated content. Okay, see, you don't give any options. The options are for your under making sure whether you want to do a overwrite, because it happens, like somebody is having a file, you will not know. See, you are using the machine and somebody else is also using the machine. Okay, and you have while you keep going in the classes, no, till by sixth months you will have lots of file in your Linux machine. Okay, so say for example you are not sure whether the file is present in that directory, you didn't search it, you didn't find it, then if you want to make sure that you don't want to overwrite an old file, that time you can go for using these options, right? If you give you hyphen I, then it will show, it will ask you whether you want to overwrite. That time you will be sure that okay, the file is already existing, let me check the content of that and then do a overwrite or not. For that option you can use this. These are all options. Otherwise you can do directly move, it will not check for anything at all, just it will move it. Okay, and update and will have the latest content. Move it, not update. Actually it will completely move the file. Fine, right? Okay. Okay, then the same logic again with the backup. It is like if you want to take the backup, same understanding. Say okay, take a backup and then move. That time how it does, I'll clear the screen. Okay, now I have new text here. I will copy the same file because I moved it actually. Now I copy the same file, new sample.txt to the before place. Okay, two documents. Okay, that's why one step before I'm going, enter. So now demo is also having new sample, and my documents directory is also having new sample. Both will be the same contents. Okay, so if we want to take a backup of the file, the new sample, even if it is even if you know that documents directory is having new sample and demo directory is also having new sample, but you want to take anyway, you wanted to move, but you want to take a backup of the file in demo directory. That time how you can do that, or you can, I can also say it in such a way that you wanted to move it, but you also want to take the backup of the destination file. Okay, where you're moving the file. So I can do like a move hyphen b option, and the file name is new text to where demo. What this command is doing is hyphen b will take the backup of a new sample.txt inside the demo directory. Okay, so how the output will be, I will show. I've entered it. Now if you check in the documents directory, new sample is not present. Okay, then we go to demo directory, ls-l. See, two files are there with the same name, new sample.txt and new sample.txt with a tilde symbol. Okay, this is the backup file. Okay, guys, which is hyphen u. In this also, hyphen u is like the source one. Next topic. Okay, okay. Last command in move. Okay, last I'll finish, and then we will go to cat. Okay, move if the source is newer, then you will use the hyphen u option. Okay, say for example, quickly, I'll copy new sample to documents. So hyphen u option, what it will do is it will move the source file only if it is having a different contents. If it is a new file, okay. Otherwise, it will not copy. It will not move it. That is the one option I will show. So for that, what I will do, I will go to my uh, vi sample, new sample in documents directory. Okay. So in this, I will delete something. I will delete this, and I can also add how are you. Okay. So this file is having all these contents, and this file is a new. Okay. So this file, if I wanted to move, then we can use hyphen u option. Okay, new sample from here to demo. It will move it. Okay. Then if you see here, it is not present. And if you go to demo and see there, it will be present with the latest file, like a new demo. Okay. Latest content is there in the demo, like hello class, good day, how are you, bye. Okay, fine guys. You can also check whether it is a newly created file, like if the timestamps. Okay, whenever it is updating, the timestamp will get updated. Then you can see when it has happened. Or else you can give hyphen I LRT. Okay, recent timing it will list. In that way, whichever is a recently modified files, that will come in the down. So that way you can check. Is this fine?